Hello, I'm Edgar Fike. I'm the newest orthopedic surgeon at Carolina Regional Orthopedics in Rocky Mount, North Carolina and Tarboro, North Carolina. Although I'm not actually that new, I've been practicing orthopedics in Enid, Oklahoma for over 12 years. My wife and I and our children have moved here because of the beautiful weather that you have. I currently mostly do operations of the upper extremities and the lower extremities, so the arms and legs. Pertaining mostly to joint replacements of the shoulders, hips, and knees. Also do a lot of sports medicine. We do hand surgery and fracture work as well. Please feel free to come and see me anytime. Once again, that's in Rocky Mount, North Carolina, or Tarboro, North Carolina, at Carolina Regional Orthopedics. Thanks and have a good day.